Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Palette and tapping New Project. This gets you into the editor immediately. Once done, choose a canvas size or import the file you need, because decisions now shape the workflow later. Make sure to grant permissions for files and media so saving and importing work without interruptions. You should also pick a default color profile. This prevents color shifts when exporting. Now that the workspace is ready, let's add elements and set up layers for precise control over edits. You'll now assemble the core of your design by adding and arranging layers. Group related parts to keep things tidy. As you add shapes and strokes, vary brush size and opacity to create depth. This controls visual hierarchy and prevents flat results. Make sure to use masks instead of erasing for non-destructive edits, because it lets you tweak later without losing pixels. Once you've blocked in form and color, sample with the eyedropper and save swatches so your palette stays consistent across the project. You finish by exporting and saving both a project file and final assets. This protects editable work and delivers final images. When exporting, select format and resolution that match your destination and enable transparency if required. If you encounter color shifts, verify the color profile and export settings, because mismatched profiles cause unexpected changes. If an export fails or the app crashes, free up storage or restart Palette and reopen the project. That simple recovery step usually fixes transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.